Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, is make fabric pumpkins. You guys are all ahead of me. So Chelle's Glam Home, April Barry, Kerry Toni, you guys, you've been making your fabric pumpkins for ages and I've been watching thinking I really want to have a go. So this is the video where I have a go. You will be learning along with me because genuinely this is the first time I've ever made them. So what I learned I will put up on the screen. This is a no-sew, so that I couldn't face getting a needle out. The material was so thick, so this is definitely a no-sew fabric pumpkin tutorial, if you like. And yeah, I really hope you love it because I'm dead chuffed with these. So I will see you at the end. I am going to be doing a no-sew method. I'm using this velvet fabric here. Well, it's not real velvet. It's just off a market stall that I got a couple of years back. Orange and this kind of greeny, bluey colour. Absolutely lush. The only pair of sharp scissors in the entire house. Honestly, I need more. I'm using these logs from HobbyCraft, inspired by Toni. She uses these for the centre of her pumpkins. How cool are they? Yeah, you can get a whole bag from HobbyCraft. Some are skinny, some are fat. I'm going with Chelle's idea of using a centre for the pumpkin to shove all of the fabric into. That's the theory. She uses toilet rolls. I'm going to try with tin cans, and if it doesn't work, I might try with a toilet roll. Then it really is a temporary prop because you know we're going to need that toilet roll. And yeah, so for my insides, I'm using some batting. I know people use cushion filler, pillow filler, toy filler, but this is what I have. So I'm not going to go and buy what I don't have just for this. That's it. To do the circles, I'm going to use this lampshade. I didn't take it down specifically, but it's very dark in my craft room with this up. So I took it down a few months back. I'm going to use it as a template and cut around to make sure I get at least something resembling a circle. So
shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. Not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. 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 She'll never know.
I wanna tell you that I think you're looking just fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside. I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you? Do you want me to? Wanna be with you? You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. I wanna say that you are the one I need. I wanna say that you are the one who's making me breathe. I hope that you can stay here. Yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you can stay.